Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will explore the GoldenEye tool. GoldenEye is a denial of service, DoS, attack tool specifically designed to target websites and other web-based services. It is a widely known and commonly used tool. GoldenEye works by sending multiple HTTP requests to a targeted domain, overwhelming the server by simulating traffic from multiple sources. This tool is often referred to as a boss-level attack utility due to its efficiency and simplicity. That's why we'll be using it for this demonstration. GoldenEye is not pre-installed in Kali Linux, so let's begin by setting it up. Please open your Kali Linux terminal. Now let's navigate to Firefox browser. Now, open a new tab. In the address bar, type GitHub and press Enter. Once GitHub loads, use the search bar at the top right of the GitHub page and type GoldenEye. Then press Enter. From the search results, select the first link /GoldenEye. Click on the code button in green color and copy the repository URL. Now, return to your Kali Linux terminal. In the terminal, type the following command: git clone and paste the copied link. Then press Enter. If GoldenEye is already installed on your system, you can skip this step. If not, please install it at the beginning. Next, we'll prepare the environment to run GoldenEye. First, let's clear the terminal by typing clear and pressing Enter. Then type ls and press Enter to list the directories. You should see the GoldenEye directory. Now, to navigate to the GoldenEye directory, type the command cd GoldenEye and press Enter. Let's list out the files in GoldenEye. Then type ls and press Enter. We will be using goldeneye.py file. To use GoldenEye, we will use the command /goldeneye.smallpy, which is the Python file. As you can see, GoldenEye requires a URL to target. We can also see that we are running version 2.1 of GoldenEye, created by Jan Seidel. The usage format of the command /goldeneye.py URL options. There are different options or flags available in GoldenEye. -u, which is user agents. -w, which represents workers. -s, which represents sockets. -m for method. -n for no SSL check. Then -h, which represents help. Here our target is HTTPS. Type /goldeneye.smallpy HTTPS. So, open a new Firefox tab. Type testphp.vulnweb.com. Once it loads, copy the URL. Switch back to your terminal and delete HTTPS and paste the copied URL. Now your command should read like /goldeneye.smallpy http://testphp.vulnweb.com -w for workers. Default is 10, but we will use 1 -s 1 for one socket -m get the default method. Your command is now ready, so press Enter to execute it. GoldenEye will now begin the DoS attack simulation. You will see output indicating the number of hits, strikes, and server responses. Successful attacks will be marked, and you may also see status codes and confirmation messages like true or success or failed. And that's how you use the GoldenEye tool in Kali Linux to simulate a DoS attack.